Adding my shared file to the map and stop sharing. In this tutorial video, you will learn how to add my shared file to the map and stop sharing. When we click My Shared Files options from the File Actions menu on the left menu, the files we have shared are listed in the panel that appears. When we activate the play button on the right of the shared files, we add the file to the map. When we click the delete button, we remove the file sharing from all users collectively. When we click the Users button, the users with whom we share the file are listed. When we click the delete button on the right of the users, we will remove the personal file sharing. Thank you for watching us. Don't forget to follow us to be updated for recent developments. You may continue to next tutorial video.